Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Stacks. In this video, we are going to generate some videos with Google's VO2 model. So we haven't done a lot of video generation, I think, demos in a bit. So can't remember if we talked about this, but Google announced this model, I think, quite a long time ago. But access is starting to finally trickle in, and so we're able to kind of play around with it and generate some videos. So if we kind of look at this landing page here, though, you can kind of see the quality of this is pretty remarkable. It's got to be up there with probably the best, I think the best we've seen. And you can see too, like, I think the thing that I haven't mastered yet with is, nailing like how deep you have to get and specific you have to get with your prompting. Right, this cartoon one here, this medium shot with the shallow depth of field portrays a cute cartoon girl with wavy brown hair. So you kind of have to be super descriptive. This one here, pancakes with syrup getting melted and poured on it. But I mean, you could do some really interesting things. So I thought what we would try is asking ChatGPT to write us a prompt, and then we would see what VO2 would generate for us. So right, this is kind of cool. Ice skater kind of doing their thing. Okay, so let's get into ChatGPT here. We're gonna use 4.5. We're gonna use the new model. Let's see what happens. So I need your help creating a prompt for a video generation model. Here is what I would like to create. I would like to have a cartoon. Nah, let's not do cartoon. I would like to have a realistic scene in a gym, people working out intensely, and a slow pan over to someone on a bench press eating pizza. All right, so let's see what ChatGPT gives us here. I mean, all right. So it's pretty descriptive. So I'm using po.com to get access to this model. So we're just going to go ahead and pop this in. Oh, yeah. This is, you get credits on Po to generate your videos. All right, we got a final product. Let's see what happens. I mean, we got the people working out. We got a cut to the guy eating pizza. He looks like he's really eating pizza. I don't know why this fade into that other background comes in, but pizza looks real. The bite looks real. Let's pause it right here. Right, chewing looks pretty real. Yeah, that bite looks pretty good. Let's see how many. We got 5 fingers. I mean, it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good. So, if you want to check this out, there are some. There's some API access. Google does have some tools. There's a wait list. I was able to get access to Po, so there are some avenues to go through, but it's not super widespread yet. But I'd say for a quick few second prompt there, that was a pretty decent output, and I'm pretty sure we could probably fine tune that and make that pretty seamless. But yeah, thanks for checking it out with me, everybody, and thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.